I'm Chef Lisa Books Williams of ThriveHolistic.com in Pleasanton, California, and I'm here to show you how to make applesauce brownies. By substituting applesauce for the butter and flax meal for the egg, you can enjoy brownies that have no cholesterol, are very low fat, but oh so delicious in flavor. So here's what you'll need to get started. A mixer, an 8x8 baking pan, and a spatula. You'll also need these ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of applesauce, 2 teaspoons of ground flax meal, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You'll also need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 of a cup of whole wheat pastry flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of semi-sweet dark chocolate chips, and an optional ingredient is 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Before we get started, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease your 8x8 baking pan. Your first step is to add your wet ingredients, such as the water, the applesauce, the vanilla, and then you also want to add your flax meal, the additional 2 tablespoons of water, and your sugar. Then you want to mix the ingredients together. Now for step 2, you're going to want to add your dry ingredients, such as your flours, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, and your salt, and mix till incorporated. Lastly, you're going to want to add your semi-sweet chocolate baking chips and your walnuts, if using, and mix just until blended. Now we've put our thick brownie batter into our greased baking pan, and we're going to bake in our 350 degree preheated oven for about 35 minutes. You'll know your brownies are done when you put a knife in the center and remove it, and your knife is clean. Now if you want, you can put some fresh nut butter on top instead of frosting. Now I'm using walnut butter, which is just ground up walnuts, because I already have walnuts in the brownie. Now your applesauce brownie is ready to eat. This is so moist and chewy and delicious. This is Chef Lisa Books Williams wishing you many blessings and joyful eating.